Today I'm going to show you an exclusive look at the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 and give you all the specs and get you all ready for Unpacked on the 5th. And that starts now. What's up YouTube? This is Jason with Red Bee Labs and welcome to the channel. Okay, so a YouTuber named Tech Talk TV has just released a video, an exclusive video that he got from sources who are leaking a lot of video about the Galaxy Watch, and you are going to see him actually using it, showing you the screen, the back of it, going through all the different functionality of Tizen OS, and we're going to get into that now. Okay guys, while you watch the video, I'm just going to go over some of the specs. So we're going to get the OS, which is Tizen 5.5. The screen is going to come in a 1.2 inch and a 1.4 inch. You're going to get water and dust resistance, so that's the IP68 rating. It's going to come with 1 gig of RAM and 6 gigs of onboard storage. The battery is going to be 247 milliamps, and for the larger watch, it'll be 340. It's going to come in water resistant, and it's going to have the screen is going to be Gorilla Glass, so it's going to be a strong glass. So I know sometimes I'm a little messy with my watch, and I may bang it into a wall when I walk by or something. It's going to have onboard GPS, and it's going to have some cool sensors where you have an ECG sensor, you have a blood pressure sensor, a heart rate sensor, just basically everything that comes in the modern day watches and everything. You're also going to get an LTE variant. You have military standard durability, a physical rotating bezel. Now a lot of people thought that they weren't going to have the physical rotating bezel due to the Active 2 only having a software on, but no, it's back. And the price will start at $399. Now, there will be 9 distinct Galaxy Watch 3 configurations. You're going to get a 45mm black titanium Bluetooth, a 45mm black stainless steel Bluetooth version, a 45mm black stainless steel LTE version, a 45mm silver stainless steel black Bluetooth version. You're going to get a 45mm silver stainless steel LTE version, and then you're going to get a 41mm silver stainless steel Bluetooth version, a 41mm silver stainless steel LTE version, a 41mm bronze and gold stainless steel Bluetooth version, and a 41mm bronze and gold stainless steel LTE version. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm super excited about this watch. I don't have the last gen, so it's not like I'm upgrading, and it's a little upgrade, you know, because the software really kind of looks the same as, you know, the other watch. But you know, I mean, I think guys, if you're in the market for a new watch, you know, I would run out and get this one. I mean, coming on August 5th. I don't know when it's actually going to be released, but I'm sure it's going to be released soon. I mean, they're not going to announce it on the 5th and then wait a long time. You know, they want to get these things moving, get them out to users so they can spread the Samsung everywhere. All right, guys. So I'm going to finish up the video, and that's all for me. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to pick this watch up, or you're just going to wait, or you got something else in mind. If you found value in this video, if you could click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any new content I provide. Also, if you could smash that like button, leave me a comment or two, and share this video, you would be the awesome person that just makes my day. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.